Changing travel dates on American Airlines can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, visit the American Airlines website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can also access your reservation using your record locator and last name. Once you are logged in, click on the My Trips tab and select the trip you want to modify. You will see a summary of your flight details, including the departure and return dates. To change your travel dates, click on the Change Flights button. You will be redirected to a new page where you can enter your new travel dates. Use the calendar to select your preferred dates and click on the Search button. American Airlines will then display a list of available flights for your new travel dates. Choose your preferred flight and click on the Continue button. You will be asked to review and accept the changes to your itinerary. If there are any differences in fare, you will be prompted to pay the additional amount. It is essential to note that changing your travel dates may incur a fee, depending on the type of ticket you purchased. If you have a non-refundable ticket, you may be charged a change fee, which can range from $75 to $150. However, if you have a refundable ticket, you can change your travel dates without incurring a fee. After accepting the changes, you will receive a confirmation email with your updated flight details. It is crucial to review your new itinerary carefully to ensure that all the details are correct. Alternatively, you can also change your travel dates by contacting American Airlines customer service directly. You can call them or use their live chat feature to speak with a representative. They will guide you through the process and help you make the necessary changes to your itinerary. In conclusion, changing travel dates on American Airlines is a relatively simple process that can be done online or through their customer service. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees, you can easily modify your flight dates and make the necessary adjustments to your travel plans.